In addition to the ability to calculate and print your payroll checks, the payroll module has several other features. First, we can view past payrolls. The View Past Payrolls function will show us any and all payrolls that have been entered on the system, including all of the information about that payroll. The View Employees option allows us to view a list of our employees. Define Employees takes us to the Employee Definitions screen, which we've gone over in the Definitions module. And then there are the reports. The Payroll History Report allows you to view a history of payroll for just one employee or for all employees based on a date range. This report will then show you all of the payroll entries that match the criteria you've entered. The Payroll Register Report shows you a register of payroll checks. And let's go ahead and put that in just for one employee. And you'll see that it shows the basic payroll information for every check for that employee. For tax purposes, we have the Payroll Tax Reports, which will show you for a quarter or at the end of the year to print the yearly for the entire year. Select quarter 5. There's no information because all of our payroll information is in the second quarter currently on this system. And you'll see a summary of the payroll entries as well as the total accounts that were hit. This will include Social Security wages that were hit, or the amount that was withheld for Social Security wages, for Medicare tax, etc. You'll need to consult the tax documentation for the exact information on how to use this report to file your quarterly tax reports. We also have the Summary Quarterly Report. Whoops. And again, all of our information is in the second quarter. And that just shows you a summary of the wages for each employee for that time period. It's fairly simple. The next option that you have is to print W-2s. The software will allow you to print W-2s at the end of the year so that those can be distributed to your employees, and those will print on a standardized form that's available. You can contact Business Software Solutions each year to find out the current form number. The federal tax limits allows you to define things like your Social Security wage limits, the Social Security tax rate, Medicare wages, etc. These are the parameters that may change from year to year as the taxes change. And you can also change your state tax limits for each specific state. The software by default comes with the information installed for the state of Utah. Finally, you can also run an after the fact payroll where you can enter the specific amounts, assuming perhaps that you've given your payroll to somebody else and you just want to enter it so that it can be posted properly. You can enter that there, and you can print the payroll summary report, which will show you a summary of all the payroll entries for the time period.